Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equal-sized groups. This video will show students how to determine whether two groups are equal in size. Also, given two or more groups that are not equal in size, students will be shown how to add objects to the given groups so that they become equal in size. Here, the two or more groups can have different objects in them. We are just looking at the sizes. So for example, there's group 1 and there's group 2. We can see that the above two groups are of equal size. There are three objects in each. Example 2, there's group 1, group 2 and group 3. We can see that the above three groups are of equal size. There are four objects in each. Example 3, there's group 1 and group 2. Group 1 and 2 are not equal in size. To make them equal in size, we need to add one triangle to group 2. Example 4, there's group 1, group 2 and group 3. Groups 1, 2 and 3 are not equal in size. To make them equal in size, we need to add one star to group 2 and two oranges to group 3. Example 5, there's group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 4. Groups 1, 2, 3 and 4 are not equal in size. To make them equal in size, we need to add one circle to group 2, three triangles to group 3 and 5 stars to group 4. An exercise that could be given to students: draw any two groups that are equal in size. Another exercise that could be given: for the above four groups, make them all equal in size. Draw the correct number of objects in the smaller groups so that they all have the same number of objects as group 1. And students can be guided along with this exercise so they know exactly what they have to do. Example 8. Draw 5 groups, each containing a different number of objects. Make all the groups equal in size by adding an appropriate number of objects to the smaller groups. And example 9. Draw 6 groups, each containing a different number of objects. Make all the objects equal in size by adding an appropriate number of objects to the smaller groups. So this has been an interesting exercise where students have seen how to add the appropriate number of objects to different groups to make them all equal in size.